Hey everybody, this is Scotty, Southern Off-Road. For those of you who don't know, we've actually been a Bad Boy Mower dealer for quite some time now. We also, not only are we a dealer, but we're also a service center. And we're in the back part of the shop. It's a few bays back here where we do all the ATV, UTV, and mower service, upfits, and repairs. We got a Polaris ATV here for some repairs and suspension repairs. Got one of our brand new CF Moto U4 600s here. Just got out of the crate and put together. On the outside here, we've got a couple U-Forces. One's still in the crate, the other one's out. It's actually here for service. But something we don't necessarily advertise is that we are a dealer and service center for the Bad Boy Mower. So this one got dropped off, getting ready for the spring, getting ready to start cutting grass. Did a full service on it, so oil change, fuel filter, grease everything, check the tire, sharpen the blades, and then we actually added this Bad Boy bagger system. And this is the 2-bag bagger system from Bad Boy. Bolts on the back of the machine. Has a counterweight up front. Has a brace that goes in the hitch. If you're looking to have your Bad Boy Mower serviced, do any accessories or add-ons, they have a ton of stuff. Lighting, bucket holders, just all kinds of different accessories, things that will make keeping up your yard much easier. Or if you're looking to potentially get out of your current mower and get into a zero turn and get into a Bad Boy, let us help you out with that. Just email us at sales@southernoffroad.com and give us a call at the shop, 205-685-1911. Or just stop by. Come see Shannon or Keith, and they'll be happy to help you out with it.